Okay, today is Friday, January the 19th, and a massive amount of progress happened today. As you can see, all the windows have been installed in the garage, and the windows in Laura's closet. We've got some tile wrap going on. We've got our soffits going in. A little chilly today.
Very chilly.
So our window over in our master bathroom, and then window in my closet, and window in our outdoor bathroom. All went in. They framed out Laura's office, the window. Big window, that's going to go there. And then they framed out the wine room window. And then, of course, back here, all of our windows in the garage. Yes. White on the inside, and you can see this one is turned around, so that shows how it's black outside. Yes. Other than it being freezing cold, this is really exciting.
Numb toes, we're doing great.
Yeah, so quite a bit done today. Question on whether or not they'll be out tomorrow is a good question, but
I think the rain starts Sunday.
yeah, so
Cold again tomorrow. Although that hasn't stopped them so far. So.
right. Oh, looking very good.
Yes.
Another very exciting day.